Hi guys, today I'm gonna do henna for kids. My mom's doing it. Let's get started. First we're gonna draw is a circle. Little one. Then we're gonna draw is another circle around that circle. Make sure you not touch it and a little close. After that, we're going to draw little petals. Round and around. See? Just like that. Once you're done doing that, we're going to draw a little bit of little dots. Make sure to make them really rounded. Make them look like the dot. So we're done doing the dots. We're gonna draw little swirls. Like around and around going on the tail. And when we're done doing those two swirls, another third swirl on top of that. After we're done doing that, we're gonna draw another petal around the beast. Keep going until you stop, and once you want to stop. See, now you want to go, keep going. I'm keeping going. Keeping going. Keeping going. Keep and going. Once we're done doing that, we're going to keep going. Because we're going to be done, but when it's actually done, fill the inside, which part it's supposed to be filled in. And once we're done doing that, draw a little bit of petals. Not that. After we're done drawing the petals, I'm going to draw a few of petals. I had to say those 2 times because keeping going. We're almost there. Okay, now we're done doing that. We're gonna do a few of little fillings, and then we're gonna add a little bit petal. Keep on going. When we're done, we're gonna add a little bit of petals. Leaf. Once we're done doing that, we're gonna draw another one on top. Somewhere wrong, just do that. Keep going. go. Keep going. Once we're done doing those other petals, we're gonna draw some swirls on the dots. And we're gonna draw a little leaf, and we're done doing one, then another, and we're gonna draw two. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Do different. You can do anything you want on this henna. But still do the same henna you want to do, or else you won't get the henna you want to do. And the first thing you can't do on henna is wipe it off with a tissue. After we're done doing that leaf, we're gonna draw a little line. Then we're going to do a little swirly. It's gonna be cute. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys subscribe and click on my channel. Bye!